Now we have more rogue judges coming out of the woodwork after some have already been arrested for sabotaging deportations. Criminals. Another Milwaukee judge joins rebellion, floats new courthouse policies in response to radical judge vowing to shield illegals from ICE agents. Another Milwaukee judge is joining the rebellion after Judge Hannah Dugan was arrested by the FBI for obstructing an ICE arrest. Judge Isham has been on the bench for less than 2 years and boasts of being the first woman, first Native American, first minority to serve as a circuit court judge in Sawyer County. The judge stated in an email, "Enough is enough. I have no intention of allowing anyone to be taken out of my courtroom by ICE and sent to a concentration camp, especially without due process. Should I start raising bail money? If there is no guidance for us and no support for us, I will refuse to hold court in Branch 2 in Sawyer County. We have a Judicial District 10 meeting on May 9th, and I respectfully ask that we be given some guidance by then, so we may discuss as a group in District 10. In signing off, Judge Isham proudly said she is willing to lose her job or get arrested. If this costs me my job or gets me arrested, then at least I know I did the right thing, the judge wrote. Milwaukee County Judge Anna Schroeder responded to Judge Isham to let her know she supports her. She thanked Judge Isham for being brave and floated new courthouse policies in their request to shield illegals from ICE agents. So clearly these rogue judges are doubling down, tripling down, quadrupling down when it comes to helping illegal aliens evade ICE arrest, evade the law. These are not judges. These are not even activists. In my opinion, these are criminals. Arrest them all. Clinton judge halts deportation of suspected Tren de Aragua gang members under Alien Enemies Act, orders them released. A federal judge in West Texas halted the deportation of suspected Tren de Aragua gang members under the Alien Enemies Act. U.S. District Judge David B., a Clinton appointee on Friday, ordered the release of 2 suspected TDA members. The judge admonished DOJ lawyers and said they have not demonstrated they have any lawful basis to keep the couple detained. The couple, Julio Puentes and Lourdes Garcia, arrived in the United States from Mexico in 2022 and were granted temporary protected status by the Biden regime. President Trump terminated the TPS program, and the couple was arrested earlier this month at the El Paso airport. The judge wrote, according to the AP, "There is no doubt the executive branch's unprecedented peacetime use of wartime power has caused chaos and uncertainty for individual petitions, as well as the judicial branch in how to manage and evaluate the executive's claims of Tren de Aragua membership and the invocation of the Alien Enemies Act as a whole." The judge's ruling applies to all illegal aliens facing deportation under the Alien Enemies Act in his Texas Judicial District. Other federal judges in New York, Colorado, and South Texas have issued similar rulings. Of course, these rogue judges are going to defend their people. This is the future of their party. This is why they were all brought here. Tens of millions of illegal aliens to secure the future of the Democrat Party. These rogue judges don't have an interest for the American people. They're not thinking about your safety or your security. They're only thinking about the security of the Democrat Party with these illegal aliens that were brought here for this very specific reason. Lawless Wisconsin governor issues guidelines to state employees to shield illegal aliens from ICE agents. According to documents leaked by conservative radio host Dan O'Donnell, a Department of Administration memo dated April 18th lays out explicit steps for state workers to follow when ICE agents arrive at government buildings. Instead of cooperating with federal immigration enforcement, employees are being told to stonewall, refuse to answer questions, deny access to files, and even demand agents leave if no attorney is available. The outrageous memo directs state employees to treat federal agents like unwanted intruders rather than trusted law enforcement partners. Among the so-called guidance given to state workers, number 1, refuse to answer any questions, even about known individuals ICE is seeking. Number 2, deny agents access to paper files and computers, even if they present a warrant. Number 3, block agents from entering non-public areas unless they produce a judicial warrant. Number 4, demand agents sit in isolated public areas. and force them to wait indefinitely while contacting attorneys. Number 5, order agents to leave and return later if a state lawyer isn't immediately reachable. In short, employees are ordered to stall, obstruct, and protect illegal aliens, even if those aliens are dangerous criminals wanted by the federal government. In an email to staff, Deputy Secretary Hansen admitted that this scheme was crafted in response to growing fears among Wisconsin's liberal bureaucrats who, rather than upholding the law, are worried about inadvertently cooperating with ICE. Hansen also stated, "We have received questions from state employees regarding what to do in case of an encounter with federal agents at work. Similar to other public entities that have issued guidance, we are providing the enclosed information. If you should encounter U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement or other federal agents at work, please refer to the enclosed guidance. While we hope it won't be necessary to put this guidance into practice, please do your part and be prepared and have contact information for your agency office of legal counsel readily available." It's interesting, isn't it? These are the same people that celebrated and cheered on the weaponized FBI that went after innocent J6ers, Trump supporters, Catholics, Christians, even President Trump himself. But now, when the tables have turned and there's actual criminality to be dealt with, these people just play the victims. Make it make sense. Cancer, acne rosacea, multiple sclerosis, and rheumatoid arthritis are 4 different diseases in 4 different areas of medicine. What if they can all be treated with parasite medication, and that turns out for these diseases to be true? What if I told you that if you had a pet or ate sushi, you are more likely to have parasites? This means that a lot of our ailments that we experience every day are caused not by environmental issues, but by parasites as well. This is something Big Pharma does not want you to know about. I know many of us check off many of these boxes. This is why Purge is offering their new liver cleanse products for all of you out there that need to clear those toxins out once and for all. PurgeStore.com offers everything you need to cleanse and detox your body. Powerful enzymes and probiotics, 15-day colon cleanse protocols, liver cleanse, and of course, the parasite cleanse. Right now, if you go to PurgeStore.com and use promo code DREW, that's DREW, you will get 20% off your entire order. Use the link in the description below, PurgeStore.com, and support the Gateway Pundit today. The Gateway Pundit is supported by the people, we the people, that is you, the American people. We thank you for your support. Well, at least there is some progress with the deportations. Over 100 illegals arrested in Rocky Mountain DEA raid on underground nightclub in Colorado Springs. Rocky Mountain DEA and other federal agencies executed a raid on a Colorado Springs nightclub early Sunday morning, seizing drugs and weapons and arresting more than 100 illegal aliens. According to the agency, 114 illegal aliens were arrested and placed on buses for processing and likely eventual deportation.
Well, good morning. John Pullen with DEA and the Rocky Mountain Division. We're here on the scene of an underground nightclub where over 300 federal law enforcement, along with our local partners from El Paso County and Colorado Springs PD, executed an enforcement operation this morning. It's a drug investigation. We seized quite a number of guns and took a number of people into custody. I think what I'd like for people to know as a result of this operation is that Colorado Springs is waking up to a safer community today. So this is an underground illegal nightclub, okay? And what was happening inside was significant drug trafficking, prostitution, crimes of violence. We seized a number of guns in there. We had active duty service members who were running security at the club and involved in some of these crimes. And in fact, we had over 100 illegal aliens inside as well, and those over 100 illegal aliens were taken into custody by ICE.
Now that's what we voted for. Hundreds of illegal aliens rounded up, arrested, put on buses, and shipped out of the country, back to wherever they came from. I would love to see this by the thousands every single day. Operation Tidal Wave leads to approximately 800 arrests of illegals, including gang members, killers, terrorists in Florida. Bill Malusian of Fox News reported on Operation Tidal Wave, which is a joint effort of ICE and local law enforcement agencies in the state of Florida working together to arrest illegal aliens. Within the first 4 days, approximately 800 illegals have been arrested. Many of them are gang members, killers, and terrorists. Included in the list was an illegal alien from Colombia who was convicted of homicide in his home country. Jose Sanchez Reyes entered the United States illegally and was considered a gotaway. Another man, Rafael Juarez Cabrera, an illegal alien and MS-13 gang member from Guatemala, was arrested. He had entered the United States illegally 3 times and was charged with felony re-entry. In addition, there was another illegal alien from Honduras who is believed to be a member of the 18th Street Gang involved in terrorist activities. He is on record as having entered the United States illegally twice. More and more and more of this. We want to see them all go. Every single one of them. They're all criminals. They're all illegal. They all don't belong here. And we all voted for them to be removed. No questions asked. My name is Drew Hernandez for the Gateway Pundit, and you have been on Watch with Drew Hernandez. I'll see you guys on the next one.